Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reduce or make any picture less blurry than it was. For this tutorial I'm using the Photoshop and I'm using also the 2019 version. So if you have any other version or any like oldest or newest version, it will still work for you. So don't quit this video, just keep watching it and focus with me on every step. Now let's get ahead and open file and create a new one and choose any preset from these custom presets from Photoshop. You can also create your own by customizing these two numbers. For me, I will stick up with this preset and click on create. Now this preset has shown up, but I will have to add another image to show you the results. Now this image is not really blurry, so we can drag it here and make it smaller, and then we click on filter, blur and Gaussian blur to make it a little bit blurry so we can work on our tutorial. Now let's place another layer of these. So this one will be before and this one will be after. So let's make this the original and this one the result. Now let's click on results, unduplicate it and come to image and let's come to analysis, and then from image we search adjustments, and from here we look for the saturate. So here it is. As you can see, it becomes gray. Now we go for filter and we go for other and we click on high pass. Let's make it 3 and click on OK. Now let's add the mask, and of course we have to make it look like that. Okay, let's make it at least look like an overlay, and this mask will be edited. Let's click on this one, and as you can see, if we remove it a little bit and colored it, it will be a little bit more less blurry. So for example, if we focus on this face and we come here to look at this face, it's less blurry. If you can literally focus on it, it's really less blurry. We can make it more like efficient if you duplicate this one. So now you can see that this one is blurry and this one is really much more less blurry. Here is the result. So yeah, that is the result. So thanks guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.